So, for today's video, guys, kakain kami ng mangga na may filter. Yung pag sinubo mo, mag-iba yung reaction mo. Ito siya, guys. Kasama ko siya.
Yan, guys.
Ayun ang family nga, guys. Ay, wala na, guys.
Ito yung gagawin natin, guys.
Wala.
Patayin mo kasi yung flash.
Wait, guys. Wait. Yan,
Bawal
guys.
na tawa, guys.
Ito yung filter, guys.
Guys.
So, guys, tara na. Kain na.
Ay, shit. Napaka-desperate mo ko yun, guys.
Hindi ko alam.